to this new video. My name is Eric Patterson. Today I'm going to show you how to configure Git. Hey, if you're not subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe so that you don't have to miss any of our video. We have interesting videos that are coming, not only on Git, but other tools like Kubernetes, Terraform, Ansible, Packer, and many more. So how to configure Git. So we configure Git because it is very important. We need to tell Git who we are by telling it what is our username and what is our email address, so that on every single commit, Git will know who we are, and it will be easy for Git to go ahead and actually do what we are asking him to do. So if you have not configured Git, for example, on your laptop, or maybe on your virtual machines, or maybe on your terminal, it's always a good practice to go ahead and configure Git. So as soon as you install Git, like we did on our previous video, we installed Git. We ping that on the I will ping that actually on the description. So we install Git now. Now it is time to tell Git who we are. And it's very simple. So let's jump to the terminal and make the magic happen. So to configure Git, you have to go, for example, to the Git documentation, or you can go on Google and type how to configure Git, for example, and it will take you to the Git documentation here. Now, this is the documentation that shows you how to configure Git. These are the two commands that you need here to actually go ahead and configure Git, for example. So I will go ahead and open a VS Code page. This is a VS Code page. So let's go ahead and copy these two commands here and put it on VS Code. You can go ahead and remove this. So we need to tell Git who we are. So our name is not John Doe, for example. So I will change our name. So our name is Dev Support. And our email is devsupport@devopseasylearning.com. So we tell Git who we are, devsupport@devopseasylearning.com. So these two commands will tell Git who we are. We tell Git that at each time that I'm going to commit something, it will tell Git that my name is Dev Support and my email is this. Now, when you are practicing on this video, you need to put your name. Your name is actually your GitHub username, right? Your name is actually your GitHub username. When you say user.name, please go ahead and put your GitHub username. And then when you say user.email, it is actually the email address of your GitHub account. So don't be confused and go ahead and put Dell support like I put mine, because Dell support is actually my name on GitHub. If I can go to GitHub here, and if I click here, you will see that my name is Dell support, and the email that I used to create this, this GitHub account is actually DevOps Easy Dell support at devopseasylearning.com. That is why I'm setting that here. So I just want that precision, so that if you're not familiar with Git and you're watching this video for the first time, make sure that you don't use Dell support or Dell support at devopseasylearning.com, because those are credentials that belong to DevOps Learning, not yours. Use whatever you set up when you were doing Git. If you don't know how to get your username, I'll show you. You can come down here. You will see your username. So let's go ahead and copy. We can copy all this command and actually go run that on our terminal. That was the previous command. If I hit enter, now Git knows who we are, right? Now Git knows who we are, and it will be easy for Git to go ahead and deal with us, for example. So if I say, for example, ls-la home, right? Okay, we have this git config. Then if I say, for example, cat home git config, as you can see, it went and get configured in there. So actually we have created that user. We told it who we are. As you guys can see, this is the name that we set up, and this is the email that we set up, and everything end up into this. This file called .gitconfig is located on the user home directory. So if you want to see this file, you just need to type the command cat home/.gitconfig. It will tell you exactly who we are, and it will also show you if you configure that correctly. I hope you liked the video, and please don't forget to subscribe. And also I want to remind you that we are also on other social media such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and LinkedIn. See you in the next video. Thank you.